Got a PSPIMAGE file and your usual image viewer draws a blank. This is a full-featured layered image format from PaintShop Pro, a long-standing Photoshop alternative with a dedicated user base. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or convert these image files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for PSPIMAGE problems. See below for my top choice. PSPIMAGE files are native image files created by Corel PaintShop Pro, a raster and vector image editing application. They store multi-layer compositions with full editing state, including adjustment layers, masks, vector objects, text layers, blend modes, selections, and complete undo history for non-destructive image editing. PSPIMAGE files use Corel's proprietary format, preserving layer hierarchy with raster vector and adjustment layer types, per layer blend modes, and opacity settings. The format stores alpha channel masks, selection data, metadata, and creator-defined color management profiles for precise image reproduction. The developer of Corel PaintShop Pro, Corel Corporation, created the original specifications for PSPIMAGE. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows supports partial previews, but exporting or modifying requires professional tools. Your first move is to identify the possible openers. Right-click the PSPIMAGE file and choose Open With. If Corel PaintShop Pro is an option, select it. If not, choose another program. It's often trial and error. If your PSPIMAGE file isn't cooperating, don't worry. We didn't have luck with the basic application. Let's quickly pivot and execute these 3 targeted actions to find the core of the problem. First, opening in PaintShop Pro. Launch Corel PaintShop Pro and open the PSPIMAGE file using File, then Open. All layers, masks, adjustment layers, vector objects, and editing state load intact. Navigate layers using the Layers palette and continue editing with full access to PaintShop Pro's complete toolset. Next, converting to universal formats. To share the image with users on other platforms, open the PSPIMAGE file in PaintShop Pro and export to PSD format to preserve layers, or to PNG TIFF or JPEG for flattened output. Select File, then Save As, and choose the desired format with appropriate quality and compression settings. Finally, opening without PaintShop Pro. Download and install IrfanView with its plugin pack, which provides basic PSPIMAGE reading support for viewing and converting flattened versions of the image. For full layer access, the free trial of PaintShop Pro can open PSPIMAGE files for a limited evaluation period, allowing export to other formats. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open-source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.